Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into how to get a Wise virtual card in 2025. If you're tired of high fees from traditional banks for international transactions, Wise, formerly known as Transferwise, is a fantastic alternative. It's super convenient for online shopping, travel, or sending money abroad. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the steps so you can get set up in no time. First things first, head over to the Wise website or download the app from your phone's app store. Once you're there, click on Sign Up and enter your email address, create a password, and verify your account with a code sent to your email or phone. It's straightforward and only takes a minute. Next, you'll need to verify your identity to comply with regulations. This usually involves uploading a government-issued ID, like a passport or driver's license, and maybe a selfie for security. Don't worry. Wise takes your privacy seriously, so this is all encrypted and safe. After verification, add funds to your Wise account. You can link your bank account, use a debit card, or transfer money directly. Wise offers competitive exchange rates, so keep an eye on those to save more. Now, for the virtual card. Go to the Cards section in your Wise dashboard and select Get a Virtual Card. You'll choose the currency you want, options like USD, EUR, or GBP, and confirm the details. It might take a few minutes to generate, but once it's ready, you can use it instantly for online payments. A quick tip. Always double-check the card details before making a purchase, and enable two-factor authentication for extra security. Also, be aware of any small fees for card issuance or usage, though Wise is generally one of the cheapest options out there. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll have your Wise virtual card up and running in 2025, making your financial life easier and more efficient. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.